Hello backers, and basically a warm welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we'll be making mushroom and bacon fusilli. Right, so to make this you'll need 400 grams of fusilli, 250 grams of button mushrooms, which I'm using a little bit more of. I've already hacked up 8 rashers of bacon and some pesto and 2 millimeters of creme. Right, so I've boiled some water in a kettle and I'm gonna pour it in and season the water, and I'm going to bring it to the boil. Okay, so once the pasta water is boiling, I'm just going to pour the fusillis in the pasta water. Okay, and I'm going to I'm going to cook them for about 10 minutes. Okay, so if you feel that the pasta isn't quite ready, just give it another couple of minutes, and don't forget to keep stirring as well. Okay, so the pasta's done now, so I'm going to drain it in a filtering pan. So now I'm going to cook the bacon and the mushrooms. I'm going to add in a little bit of olive oil, a little, and I'm going to add the bacon and also the mushrooms, and then start mixing. And you should be getting closer here, and like so. Should be mixing these up for around about 5 minutes. Right, so now it's of this consistency. I'm going to add back in the pasta. Right, so you need to cook it for a minute on heat for 1 minute. Right, you need to be stirring it, okay, for the pasta once it's in the bowl for about a minute. Right, so a minute's gone now, so I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of this pesto into it. I'm using chili pesto this time. Just put a couple of tablespoons, okay. And also I'm adding in the either creme fraiche, however you pronounce it. Okay. Right. Okay. So I'm stirring this in as well. And should be doing this until all the fusillis are coated in the mixture. Okay. Right, so there you have it. There is your bacon and mushroom fusilli. Okay, so that's it for another video. Please, as always, if you haven't done so already and you like this video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and also subscribe and press the notification bell, because all that does help with the algorithm. Okay, so as always, if you want to learn to cook and whether or not you're autistic, do remember, I have your back.